Welcome to the Spendwise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. I made split pea soup last night. It's been a while since I've made it. Since the last time I made it, it basically exploded all over when I tried to puree part of it in my food processor. Well, for those of you who've had this experience like I have a solution for you. When you use a food processor, take out the center thing in the top and put a towel over it before you pulse it. This way, there's a chance for the steam to get out. When you use your blender, follow the same process. Take out the middle part of the lid and put the lid back on the blender. Put a towel over the lid before pulsing. If you do this, you will find that you will stop the soup from going all over the place. Thanks for watching the Spendwise Moms channel. Please subscribe for more videos like this.